the van you got close to last time, but now there's no cars, there's no pressure. Yeah? Alright, so that's fine, perfect. Come back a bit, look at the hazard. Don't get too wide, remember? You want to come back this side a little bit more towards me. There we go. Good, it's really tough this road. Then watch the parked car as well. Perfect, and back. Excellent. Use that space you got on the left here. Check mirrors. That's it. Very good. Well done, that was hard. Good. Push. A little bit towards me. There we go, perfect. Sometimes what you got to do is have a little glance in your side mirrors and you'll work out, oh, I'm a bit wide here and there. I do that by feel because I'm used to it. You guys will do it later on by feel as well, but sometimes those mirrors will help you. Okay? Just perfect position, well done. Alright, so we're going to revisit that roundabout soon, but I'm going to give you a big hill to deal with first. Alright, so as you get to the roundabout ahead, I'd like you to turn right for me when you get there, okay? Now, zebra crossing, people running towards it. Yeah, there you go. Very good. And if you always assume they'll use it, that's it, good. If you always assume they'll use it, then even if you ran past, you're fine, you've done your duty. Yeah? Alright. So, have a look. Got a chance? Nice blocker ahead or not? Good. It's clear on the right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. We never have to wait for the blockers. Yeah? Then. Unless they're coming towards you. True?
Yeah.
Alright. That's it. And quicker back. People get intimidated by the blockers as well because they're like, oh, they're all going, they're going. And so they'll keep going until you move, yeah, and you turn in front of them. But obviously if they're turning in front of you, so they'll block two people, they'll block the side of our right and they'll block us as well, and then obviously you have to wait, yeah? Good. Push more. Alright, then just where the island is ahead, we're going to be turning left. Slower, good. Don't forget your mirrors. Brake a bit more. More braking. Good, slower. If you put that clutch down, you have to brake more, yeah? Because it just loosens up. Then you have to think about whether do you need to put the clutch down or not, or maybe dropping it into first as well and using the clutch up, because you'll have more control when your clutch is up. Alright? So it's not just I'm going to put my clutch down and roll in. Does that make sense? Yeah? I want to always think about it more. Good. Look at this road. This is the road. These are sort of roads you like. You hope that no car comes. It's a bit close to that red car there. Yeah? Stay in the middle a bit more. That's it. On a road like this, completely in the middle.
Yeah.
Because no car can fit either side, alright? Constantly looking up the road. Now, if a car comes now, we've got a potential chance on the right here to wait here. Okay? Keep going, push out more. Now, if a car comes, they should wait for you. Yeah? Turn left is a horrible way up, by the way, as you can tell. Out more. Good. Then you want to get right to the end and gently and calmly stop. Clutch and brake. Chill. Perfect. Now, what gear are you going to use? Alright. Now, one thing's really important. See on the left-hand side, there's a parked car. You can't see it because of it, yeah? What students try and do, they try and go out from here and then they try and just go, which is wrong, because if you go straight out, and a car is coming you in the wrong lane.
Yeah.
What you want to try and do is tuck it into our lane and then peek out. Make sense?
Like, right.
Yeah, so stay in our lane a little. Obviously don't get too close, but you know, so deal with it both sides. Get that biting point, hold, and then roll out slowly. A little bit of gas, but control the clutch. Keep it tight. Hold it there. That's it. Out a little and peek out. If it's clear, you go. If it's not, you wait.
Yeah.
Yeah? That is how you do it. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Well done. So remember, commitment is literally when you know it's 100% clear, yeah? All right? Until then, it's always a constant edge and peak and creep sort of thing. All right, what you can do here? Just come in gently, check behind you. Good. Clutch early, brake early, big gap. First gear straight away. That's it. Have a look early. Who had right of way there? Who had the hazard? Or the problem? The parked cars? Yes. So whoever has the problem has to give way.
Right.
Yeah? Gear change. Generally, okay? Yeah. Alright. Turn left further ahead. Just a brake. Good. And then we cover the clutch in case we need it suddenly. Sharper turn. That's it. And quicker back. Well done. Alright, plan ahead brake. So we have right away, but they're taking advantage of that. Yeah? Because they think they'll get in first and then come out. Alright, which has affected us. However, you just have to deal with that. Alright? Roundabout coming up, turn right. If you were to do that to someone, it would be wrong. Yeah? Okay. Look at that. Perfect. Happy day, sharp turn. Good. It's funny because after the summer holidays are finished, these roundabouts are really like that. So for now, the best thing in terms of learning is learning the technique. Alright? And then when the schools kick in next week, you'll be learning how to deal with more of the cars. Yeah? So now pick up the pace. That's it. Good. Now we don't have parked cars on the left hand side, right? So a lot safer, roads wider, less hazard, so lower risk, right? Lower risk, higher speeds generally, okay? Within the limits, all right? Turn right after the zebra. Good, don't forget your mirrors, prep gears in the box area, that's it, second gear. Good, clutch up and turn. You've got to get those gears sorted earlier, yeah? Because what you're doing, you're literally just signaling. It's a whole process. It's called MSM. Yeah, mirrors, signal, and then you're going to think about moving. And the moving part includes your position and your speed adjustments and where you're going to be looking. Yeah. There's a long version of it. It's called MSPSL, which is just too long. So just got to remember, alongside with your signals and your mirrors, you have to do the gears. All right. All part of the fun of manual driving. Alright, now look far ahead. This road's a bit narrow. See the bus up at the top? Yeah? Think about whether you want to wait here or afterwards. So, out more, you're committing already. Okay? And then brake a little, come in smoothly, check behind, prep the gears. Yep. Check behind you, turn away, turn away, turn away. Too close. Yeah? Alright, again, you've got to prep your gears earlier. Yeah? Yeah. Because what will happen is otherwise you'll find it hard to do all the stuff together. Yeah? That's it. It's one of those tough roads. This is a really tough road meeting scenario, okay? So if you are kind of like in two minds whether to go or not, you're better off waiting. Yeah? Because as you start committing, you have to then commit. So now you got to decide on the same thing here. Do you want to wait or go? Check behind you. That's it. Good. And now they're waiting for you. Perfect. All right? So the decision has to be made early. All right? You both have parked cars here, so it's kind of 50-50. It's not a big deal. Good. Now, end of the road coming up, turn right when you get there. Good. Nice. Now, look at the hazard ahead of you. If that car stayed, there'll be a problem. Alright, see the lights change? It's red? Yeah, good. Perfect. Sometimes with red lights, cyclists will fly through, okay? So be very cautious of that. Alright? A bit more towards you. Now, right third exit again. Again. That's it. Angle the car. Angle more. More. Remember that shape? Yeah, good. Look ahead. Before you commit, always glance ahead, okay? This part has to be faster. Don't just use your clutch to move off. It's too slow. If a car comes whipping round, you're going to be stuck in the middle of nowhere. Yeah? So when you want to go, commit. Go. Alright? You need to be sort of decisive with going and stopping. So we wait, fine. We wait for a valid reason, confidently. Even if someone hoots, we're not going because we know what we're doing is right. when you go with that confidence as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, these middle lane ones can sometimes come around with you, and they're the ones you got to focus on when you're lane changing. Okay. Good. Take your time. Good. Now. Yep. Check. Off gas. Slide away. Bit by bit. Yeah. Keep looking. Try and fit into that gap if it's safe. Look. In your side mirror again. That's really nicely done. Yeah. Good. So seeing that sort of opportunity or gap is one thing. Making sure then it's safe on your left is the other. Yeah? Okay, did that really well. Very smooth as well. That's the key. So there's no sharp turns or anything. Yeah? Quite impressed. Good. Now continue ahead, and then we shall be turning left very shortly. Okay. See where it says Mill Hill? Yeah. Turn left. Good. And then left again into this side road here. Brake more. That's it. And then just into this road here. Good. Bit more turn. But very good with your clutch there. Well done. Hold it. Hold it for longer because it's in second. That is how you do it. Yeah, you did that really well. When you needed it, you dropped it. Yeah? Okay. This one's quite awkward, so you might need it anyway. So it's a sharp bend. Just a bend. So they've got the giveaway. Right? Clutch and brake. Roll through. Looking in that direction. Tight turn. No signal needed, yeah? Really? It's just a bend, okay? Control the clutch. Good, turning away. Good, hold. Alright, all the way to the end. Push more. Alright, end of the road. And then turn left. You're going to come to a roundabout straight away after that. We're going to go right, okay? So good. Get the sharp angle. Have a look at the curb. Look early. Alright, cool. Going right. Think about the position. Position. Right. Yeah? So think first gear. Alright. And then you could technically go in if you wanted to. But it's up to you if you want to squeeze through the gap.
Wait, is there 2 lanes?
It's 3 in total. We even need to be on the right hand lane. Yeah, because we're going right?
Yeah.
Good. So turn sharp. Turn. Ooh. And then back. That's a bit close though, okay? Signal right. Good. Third exit. Bit more to you. That's it. Alright, you decide. Hazards galore. Feed that gas. Look again. Perfect. Well done. Nice start. Good. Keep the signal on if it turns off. Third exit, counting. Yeah, good. That's number 2. So now mirrors. Signal, slide and glide. Keep looking, keep turning away. Keep looking, keep turning away. Look more. That's it, good. You're hesitant to move over, look. It's clear. Yeah? Okay, come over more. You can even look over your shoulder a little bit if you need to. That's hard. It's a risk as well in case there's cars in front of you. But it actually clears the issue of the risk a lot more. Okay, I do it a lot. I like glance over my shoulder just into these windows. But when I do that, I'll make sure there's no cars in front of me. Alright? And change. Because it's always risky. So this side a little bit more. Keep that pace up. Now we've got roundabout coming up, and we want to go straight ahead second exit when we get there. Which lane are you going to pick? Yeah, the left side. Perfect. If this splits into an extra lane on the left, pick that as well. Yeah? Alright? If there are 3 lanes, you can pick the middle lane to go straight as well sometimes as well, okay? So then it's all about markings. A little bit towards me, good, and then push. Alright, so you'll see signs further ahead for Stanmore, alright, and L Street, okay? A41.